The vaquita, also known as the Gulf of California porpoise, is a small species of porpoise that is endemic to the northern Gulf of California in Mexico. It is considered to be the most endangered marine mammal in the world, with only a few individuals remaining in the wild. Vaquita is recognized for its distinct appearance, with a stocky body, dark gray to light brown coloration, and dark rings around its eyes and lips. The vaquita population has drastically declined in recent years due to various threats, with the primary one being accidental entanglement in fishing gear, particularly gillnets used in illegal fishing for another endangered species, the totoaba fish. Vaquitas often become entangled in these nets and drown as bycatch, despite efforts to prevent such occurrences. Conservation organizations, governments, and local communities have been working together to save the vaquita from extinction. Conservation measures include efforts to remove illegal fishing gear from the vaquita's habitat, enforcement of fishing regulations, and community-based conservation initiatives. In 2019, a bold conservation program called the Vaquita CPR was undertaken, involving the capture and temporary relocation of remaining vaquitas to a protected sanctuary in the Gulf of California, with the goal of protecting them from fishing gear and allowing them to breed in a safe environment. However, this effort faced challenges and was discontinued in 2020. As of 2023, the exact number of vaquitas remaining in the wild is uncertain, with some estimates suggesting fewer than 10 individuals. The situation remains critical, and urgent conservation actions are needed to save this critically endangered species from extinction. Conservation organizations and governments continue to work towards protecting the vaquita and its habitat, raising awareness about their plight, and advocating for stronger conservation measures to ensure their survival. Efforts to protect the vaquita also involve engaging local communities in conservation initiatives. Many local fishing communities in the Gulf of California rely on fishing for their livelihoods, and addressing their needs and concerns is an important aspect of vaquita conservation. Sustainable fishing practices, alternative livelihood options, and education and awareness programs are being implemented to promote coexistence between local communities and vaquita conservation efforts. International cooperation has also played a role in vaquita conservation, with efforts by governments, NGOs, and international bodies to address the illegal trade of totoaba fish, which is driving the vaquita's decline. The totoaba fish is highly sought after for its swim bladder, which is considered a delicacy in some Asian markets. This trade has led to overfishing of totoaba, and the use of illegal gillnets to catch them has inadvertently resulted in vaquita bycatch. Addressing the illegal trade in totoaba and increasing enforcement of regulations to prevent illegal fishing are critical components of vaquita conservation efforts. In addition to addressing the immediate threats to vaquitas, efforts are also underway to better understand their biology, behavior, and habitat requirements. Research on vaquitas, including population monitoring, habitat mapping, and studying their genetics, is ongoing to inform conservation strategies and management decisions.